If ever there was a secret to success, and there aren't any shortcuts, but if there was one, it is public speaking. Learn how to do it incredibly well. I was the shyest boy at school until I was about 18. Then I knew if I want to be a lawyer, and I wanted to be a barrister, I better learn how to speak in public. Here are the top tips, okay? Nowadays, it's even easier for you because you've got YouTube. You can see how people are doing it. Notice my words, look at my intonation, look at my focus, look at how my arm movements, okay? Charisma matters, humor matters, practice at home. I'm afraid it's going to take a lot of practice. I used to practice in whispered tones, and sometimes I download great speeches and practice giving those instead. Historical speeches, just Google it. Okay, practice giving those in the mirror, and then ask people, find your expertise and ask them to be on their conferences or webinars or whatever else. I don't just mean nobodies, I mean a professional organizations. If it's finance, in banking, you're going to have to stand up. You're going to have to step up. Whenever you're seen on stage, you're assumed to be an expert. People crowd around you. It's far easier to make networks, and you get to leverage your voice to far more people. Speak in public at big institutions. Use their networks to get further ahead.